Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine. So you must be thinking, what are we going to learn in this video? So let me tell you, we will learn about sleeping lines from Hi Kids Feather Cap. So let's start today's video. Okay, so first tell me, what is a sleeping line? Okay, tell me, how do you sleep in the night? How do you sleep? You sleep like this in a sleeping position on the bed, right? Tell me, how do you sleep? And show it to me, like this. You sleep like this in a sleeping position, like this. Pencil is sleeping, okay? This is a pencil and this pencil is sleeping like this, okay? Now it's a standing position and this is a sleeping position, okay? The pencil is sleeping here, okay? This is your sleeping position. And do you remember about the clays? Yes, this is green color clay. Now, if we tilt the clay like this, it's a position of sleeping line, okay? This clay is sleeping now. Can you see this clay? Yes, clay is sleeping like this. And if we tilt the clay like this, it's a standing position, okay? जैसे आप सोते हैं ना बेड पे like this, that's your sleeping position, okay? Like this, from left to right, okay? From left to right. So that's your position of sleeping, okay? Now I will tell you how to make a sleeping line. So let's get started. What is this? These all are colorful birds. See, all are colorful birds. First bird is in red in color. First bird is in red in color. And this bird wants to go to its nest. This bird wants to go to its nest. So how will it go? It will fly like this. You know how to fly? Come on everyone, fly with me like this. So bird will fly like this and then it will reach the nest. So we all will help the bird to reach to its nest. So let's get started. We will start from here and then we will go and stop here. Now this bird has gone to its home. The bird's home is nest, okay? Nest is the bird's home. That's where the birds live. Like you live in your homes, likewise birds live here in the nest, okay? So bird lives in the nest. Birds कहाँ रहती हैं? In their nest, okay? This red color bird का home है nest, okay? This nest. Good job. Now this blue color bird, this is woodpecker, okay? Its name is woodpecker. This is blue in color, okay? Now this bird wants to go to its home again. And this bird का home कौन सा वाला है? ये वाला है, okay? So we will help the bird. Will you help with me? Say yes. Okay. So we will help the bird to reach to its home. Let's start. We will start from here and it will fly, fly, fly and it will go to its nest. Okay? Good job. Now this is everyone's favorite parrot. This bird is called parrot. Okay? Now, how does the parrot fly? Like this. Come on everyone, fly with me. Yes. So now, parrot wants to go to its home. How does the parrot go? Parrot will fly like this in a sleeping line. Okay? Parrot will fly in a sleeping line and it will go to its home. Now we will help the parrot. Okay? So let's help the parrot. Yes, fly, fly in a sleeping line and stop here. Okay, now parrot is It's home. Now, next is this black color bird. This is a black in color. Now, this black color bird wants to go to its home for sleeping. Will you help him? Okay, so let's help the bird. Let's start from here and fly in a sleeping line and stop here. Okay, so we have drawn a sleeping line. Now next is this is colorful bird. This is called macaw. This bird is called macaw and it is very colorful. Okay, now this bird wants to go to its home. Let's help the bird. Start from here and fly. Keep on flying and stop here. Now, bird अपने घर आ गई है. Good job. Now, last is brown color bird. This is called sparrow. Okay, this bird is called sparrow. So let's help sparrow now. Fly and make a sleeping line and stop here. Good job, kids. Now, bird कहाँ पर आ गई है? अपने home में. Now, bird क्या करेगी? Bird अपने home में sleep करेगी. How will you sleep? Like this. तो bird भी ऐसे sleep करेगी in a sleeping line. Okay. So, that's how we make a sleeping line. That's it for today. I hope you have got how to make a sleeping line. Okay, that's it for today, class. Now we will study in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye-bye. Take care.